Hi, in front of me is REALME C15 and today I want to show you how to set up your screen lock. Open Settings, then scroll down and choose Face and Password. Now set screen lock password and wait 5 seconds. Tap Continue and choose one of the methods. I will go with pattern. So now I have to draw it and confirm it. Now it's time to decide if you wanna add your face. I don't, so I click cancel. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, pattern will be required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!